welcome back to the channel. So today we're viewing another apartment. I think we're probably going to view about 3 or 4 today, but we're viewing luxury apartments. Don't ask me if we have luxury money, but that we have view today, and I'm really excited. I even dressed up just for the viewing to give them the vibes. I'm not wearing makeup today. I'm just giving them a little cute, you know, little baby face look, pretty. And I did my hair by myself, but I did my hair by myself as well, and I used some flat sheets, and that made such a big difference. My hairdresser recommended them, and they've laid my hair so flat. I'm so happy. I'm gonna try to put a picture of them here so all of my short ladies can have them. But yeah, that's the plan for today. So I'm gonna take you guys on the viewings with me. It's 9 now, just after 9. It's about 9. Well, no, not after 9. To 10 now, 5 minutes to 10, so it's a proper late night viewing. So hopefully it goes well, fingers crossed, because I already know I'm ready for move on, I'm ready for start my life, you understand? I hope that music in the background and give away copyright, but that's it. That's the plan for the day. So with the apartments in London so far, you guys can see we don't really have the best options. I mean, one of them never that bad. One of the things that I posted wasn't that bad, so we're considering those. The first one that we posted in what area was that again? Like Abbeywood side, that's a no. With a 3-bedroom, no, we don't want that kind of space. The luxury space, oh, me and see right now, I have some belong, but I like so now I have some belong. But I could see the price them. I could see the price them for see if it makes sense or not. And let's see the amenities for see if that makes sense too. My dream space ideally would have wooden floors, glass to seal windows or doors or whatever, but basically I want almost like a panoramic view. So I want to be able to see around the house, like see through the house, like possibly even people outside can see inside. I would love it. I would love if the windows are tinted so people outside can't see inside, but that's something that I'm willing to compromise on. But yeah, that's what I'm going for. I want something airy, natural light, so I can make better video for you guys. You guys are at my dad's place. The lighting wasn't the best. It's very dim, very dark, but I want to be in my own space where it inspires me to create content and, you know, be more active in the YouTube and the social media space. So fingers crossed we can find something like that. Also, I really want white walls, something that's just clean, that's, you know, airy, like newly built would be perfect, just so that we can, you know, put our own touch and spin to it. So that's something that I am looking out for. But yeah, let's wait on the guys. I hope you guys are well, by the way. Hope you guys are keeping well. Thanks so much for the recent interactions on my posts. I appreciate all of the comment them, everything. Alright, so look like the guy then I'm gonna stop talk. Alright guys, I'm gonna go view the apartment damn. Thank you.
You're welcome. This is all 5. This one is unfurnished.
Okay. No, we see unfurnished. Oh, the lighting. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, that's from this room.
Okay. So it's 2-bedroom. How much is the price?
Price is £1,453 3p.
That's not too bad. 1,400.
£53 3p.
What's here? Is it storage? This one?
Yeah, that one is the storage room, yes.
Oh, this is a lot of storage. This is a lot of storage space. This is proper. This is a lot of storage space.
Not every apartment has this kind of large one.
No, normally it's just the wash area for the ones that we've seen. Okay. This is nice. This is the bathroom, guys. Okay. So pretty standard bathroom layout, but I love how spacious is it. It is. Compared to thingy. And then this is the other bedroom.
This one is master room with ensuite shower.
Okay. This is nice. Ooh. This one is quite nice. I like this. I like this. Yeah, this is banging. This is banging. Okay. Okay, cool. And then this is the master bedroom. And then you got a little window area here. Cool. This is everything that I want, really. Let's see the the other bedroom is quite small. I don't think my friend would want that. She'd want more space. And then this is the
kitchen.
Yeah.
Fridge, freezer.
Yeah. Is there a dishwasher?
Yeah, dishwasher. It should be this one. No. Pardon. This one.
Okay. Okay. And everything is already functional, everything is working up and ready to go?
Yeah, sure.
And how soon are they looking to have tenants?
Pardon?
How soon are they looking to have tenants? Like, is it readily available?
Yeah,
whenever? Okay. Is there a balcony?
Yeah, there is a balcony. Let me bring the keys.
I think I could use this as a thumbnail. Thumbnail! Yeah, I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna try to use that, or I can take another one here. Thumbnail. Let's see the balcony view, guys. Oh, this is wow. Wow. This is this is quite high. Shit then. This is proper high. This is mad. This is a view. And the balcony is quiet. Let me see how many steps I can take here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can take 4 full steps. This is a good sized balcony, and I love the width of it as well. 1, 2, and then you can take 2. This is not bad. I like this. I really like this. So you'd have to put the telly here just so you can have the access to the balcony.
Yeah.
So put the TV, yes, so you have a little, you understand, a little couch, yes, so you look we name the table. This is nice. It's very open plan though, compared to, there's no wall or anything here, just.
Yeah.
So where would you put the dining table? Over this side or over this side?
Dining table.
Yeah.
Yeah,
like here, basically.
Yeah. And there will be space for walking into
the living area. I like this one. So 1,450.
Yes.
1,450?
705. It's 1,453 pounds.
150? Why the £3?
I don't know. Because it's with promotion. Because it was 1,610 pounds.
Yeah.
And now with the discount it's 1,453 pounds 3p.
That's a decent. Okay, that's a decent discount. £200 off. Oh, that was not bad.
Parking space. It needs a parking space.
And all utilities are excluded.
Yes, and it will be council tax everything. Yeah.
Okay. So that's literally just the rent.
Yes.
Money. I don't got it. This one also unfurnished?
But this one is furnished.
Okay, let's see the furnished.
Yes.
I like seeing the furnished because I get good inspos. So you have the intercom bit for downstairs. That's nice.
Right hand is a small one.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Okay. The furniture not all that. I'm not lie. I'm gonna set the bed. The bed could have like a pillow top. You understand? Shouldn't give me the feel of what I like. But then I look cheap. They may not look, you understand? This now give me luxury. They may look cheap bad. They may look cheap. I don't like that. And this one is 2 bathroom as well?
Yes.
And this is the other. Oh, I love this color.
All options, so we got
Oh, this is pretty. This is very pretty. I love the color. I love the texture, the suede. Where did they get the bedside tables from? I like this one. The other one looks cheap, but I really like this one. This one's sturdy and nice. Okay. I like how the bathroom there on here, so you wouldn't even know.
Okay.
I like how discreet the bathroom was. Yeah, it's really nice. And they could have put storage in this one though. In it, just a little glass shelf, because now you have to put in your own storage. What are the rules on the walls? Are you allowed to put up TVs and stuff?
No, I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Just come this side so you're not in the video. Thank you. What did you say, sorry?
I think it will not be a problem because you need to put a screen like TV. Everything.
Yeah, or else you have to get a TV stand, all of that.
Or TV stand, yeah.
That's a lot. That's actually a lot. Okay. I like this one, and the bathrooms around here. I like how the bathroom is, you know, tucked away from the room. And then you have extra space here. The room big, man. The room big. The room big. This is a big room. This is a big, I think this is the biggest room I've seen. Definitely. Either that or the way how the, ooh. This is nice. Wait, let me not go in there yet. This is nice. Okay, same bathroom like what we saw. So the bathroom then pretty much standard. From what we can see now, with the free shelving at the top, you got your shower and stuff. I think this will look really nice for a little caddy, you know. You can have your little candles, a little fake plant down there. Yeah, it's nice, it's nice. I don't know why the thing keeps dropping. And then storage here as well.
It's small, yeah.
This is another storage, man. This can only hold probably like 2 suitcases. I like this. I like this. I like it, but I don't know if I love it.
And the washing machine is here.
Oh, they have the, okay. And is it a dry as well, like tumble dry? Yeah. Okay, so you have all your shelving. This is the kitchen, guys. I don't feel like I'm recording properly. So this is the living room. It's an open plan, so it comes right
Access the balcony.
down. No, I think I get the point of the balcony. Is it the same exact size? Yeah, it's the same. No, we don't need to see that. Then you have the kitchen, everything literally open plan. Let me just try to focus you guys. There's the fridge down there. Yeah, this is banging. And I love the detail of the lighting underneath the shelves. Like, imagine cooking, or imagine being here. You won't need to turn on the ceiling lights. You can just turn on these and it will just keep the place cozy. I like this. I like this. And everything is so high-tech. You understand? Everything's so high-tech. You understand? I like this. I like the layout, I guess. I like the look layout. But I feel like they could have cut it off somehow. Do you get what I mean? Like, I don't know. Something, maybe a small little, I don't know, but some could have cut her off. They could do a bit better for the furnishing though, for luxury, I can't lie. They could. This is not giving me luxury right now. This is plastic. This is not giving me luxury. But I like the space. I love the white walls. I love the wooden floors. This is what we want. And what's the price for this one?
It's £1,557.50.
Money. Money that I don't have as yet. That's the key word. Okay, so this one a bit more expensive, even though it's the same sizing as that one.
Yeah.
Or is
Yeah,
it?
it's £100 difference usually between furnished and unfurnished apartments.
No, only £100.
£100.
Oh my god.
2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. If it's a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, it's 75.
Oh wow, that's a decent deal then, isn't it? If it's your type of furnishing, if it goes with your style, that's a good deal.
Yeah.
This one is furnished.
This one is furnished.
Is it the same price as what we just saw? The 1,500. Thank you.
Yeah, just let me check and have a check for you.
Okay,
it's
cool.
the same price or not?
Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like the break. Ooh, I like the breakup of this one. Okay, this is nice. So this is the bathroom, yeah?
Yeah.
This is the bathroom. You walk in.
That's it.
This nice. I think I may have seen this one already.
Yeah, because the layout is building is built like layout.
Oh, the layout is the same. Okay. But just different names basically and different heights. Okay, yeah, the same layout, same layout. Okay, I get the gist. I love the breakup. I love how then you come into the kitchen and you understand? I like this. I like this. And then balcony again.
Yes. I don't think so.
Oh, this is nice. This is the kitchen, the living room area. I love this. You've got the balcony out there.
No.
I think Lisania would like this. She'd love the breakup of this place.
Okay.
Because everything's so segregated. I'd want to see a penthouse. What's this? Is this storage?
Yeah.
Oh. This is cute. This is nice. Yeah. I could do this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a lot of storage space though. The units come with a lot of storage in the kitchen. That's what I really like. And a lot of plugs. So you can have your little microwave here, your little kettle. Then you have your little stove, you understand?
Toaster, we can put it.
You can have a little toaster, yes, if you want. But I wouldn't because I'd want to have the space. And then here you can do your cooking, your little cut up board and all that. Wash up. And nice. Compatible. Okay, we set that one. And then the other bedroom is here. Like again, this furniture looks so cheap. I could never. And then they have a nice little wardrobe. The wardrobe is a decent space though, and I love the fact that it comes with a little shelving. You know, you can pop a few bits up here, a few boxes with your products, and then you can have your wardrobe here. I not feel the side, I not feel them here. But the bed, them could I get a little pillow top, you know? Them could I really get a little pillow top, because this firm, this too firm for nobody sleep on, you understand? That need a little break in and break out. But it's nice, comfortable. Yeah.
That one is storage. It's a
Oh, I love the huge, yeah. Massive. Yeah, this is the storage that people need, yeah. This is a decent storage size. And you can have your laundry basket there, and then you have your you have your storage here. Then you have your laundry basket in the corner, just so you can have access to open and get your bits. And everything is set, like everything is personalized to you. You don't need to connect to anyone else. So, okay, yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, I'm happy.
It's two bathroom, one bathroom.
I want
You
two.
don't want to-
No,
okay.
I want 2 bathroom. There's no point looking at that. I actually need my own bathroom at this point. Oh shit. Ooh, I'm at that week. I'm sure I'm not. You did something else. I think that's all the viewings, guys. He said he has another one. You lot heard him. 1 bathroom, but I won't waste this time because Lisane and I, we really want to have separate bathrooms. Well, me more so, but yeah, we just want to have separate bathrooms, so I'm gonna just leave that. But yeah, I really like the houses, but I really expected the furnished ones to be a lot nicer, like actual luxury furnishing. I don't understand that, but the actual thank you, you're so kind. But the actual spaces are really nice. I love the layout. I think this layout is nicer to the ones that we saw, the last ones that I posted. I think this layout is really nicer. So let me go show my good sister video, and then me and her can decide, and then you guys comment which one you liked the most. And yeah, we can go from there. I think we have just one more apartment to view so far, so make sure to subscribe if you want to see those apartments before we actually make our final decision. But thank you guys so much for chilling with us today. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure that you like, comment.
0.
As I was saying, as I was saying, guys, thank you so much for chilling with me today. Make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. And also sorry, I'm very handicapped today, guys. I'm very clumsy. But yeah, as I was saying, make sure that you don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.